LinkedIn's social recognition program is called Bravo, and a Bravo moment is given out every minute at LinkedIn, so good for Merck. I think, Eaton, I know your stat is like almost a minute as well. But if we really think about that, it's the power of the frequency in which those connections are happening that allows us to leverage social recognition in such a powerful way in which we're able to, have these micro-coaching moments. Because when you're recognizing individuals or teams, right, you're thinking like, have I included everyone? Let's pause, reflect, and apply that. Have I included everyone? Are these awards equitable? So I'm happy to say LinkedIn just launched the Inclusion Advisor capabilities as well on their platform about a month ago, and they're getting tremendous feedback. We've even seen comments like when they're writing award messages, this individual said, I tend to lean on these words, you guys, and I recognized by this being detected in the award advisor and that underscoring for me and giving me some suggestions, I'm not only applying those here at LinkedIn, but I'm also applying those in the world. And I had such an aha moment because I used to do that too. Like everything was so casual and you guys. So now I'm saying team, squad, because I do have a teenager, so she likes the word squad or pod are some of the more like inclusive language. But I think, once you know and you start to apply that, it becomes a habit.